Hello and welcome to Rookie Ninjas, where we explore day trading futures on the NinjaTrader platform, identifying supply and demand and reading price action. Because day trading is the new black and you'll wear it well. Alright guys, so we have here a new strategy, well, actually an older one that I've had put together for quite some time. This is my catch the open strategy. So essentially we have two automated strategies that are set to enter a trade at 9:28, so 2 minutes before the open. Essentially, what we're looking for is based off these resistant lines that we have here. We want to see how price works and interacts with these lines to see if we can make an educated guess as to which direction price is going to be going. So on this particular morning, this is a playback, but we're set to August 25th. If you notice here, we actually have a pretty decent stretch, less congestion that's been seen since overnight on this particular day. So what we're going to do is we're going to see if we can't catch movement with the open. Everybody knows that the open can be very volatile, but what it can also do is move sharply in one direction. So we want to see these moves here, and we want to see what kind of profit we're able to get. So that's with one contract, just as an example, and shows 260 green. Okay, now I had the pleasure of running this strategy for the last 3 weeks, and here are my findings. So these are our trading days, and after 14 trading days we had 10 wins and 4 losses, and as you can see, we had reached our goal of 3,000 in profit. This gave us an average of $195 per day, and we're going to go ahead and review each of the trades that we're taking on each of these days. Alright, so here we have August 1st, August 4th, and August 5th. This is early on in the strategy, which has been polished as time has passed. We had 2 winners and 1 loss, and just like any good strategy, our winners are greater than our losses. Alright, moving forward, we have August 6th, 8th, and 11th. I'm not trading every day. Sometimes I do have work and I don't make it in time, but for these days here, I believe we had 2 wins and 1 loss. Now, when I say that I was polishing this strategy, I did attempt to, at one point, take both trades. So if price reversed, I would take a second trade and quickly realized that that was not worth it. So we did have a hefty loss at negative 525 there on the 8th. Alright, moving forward, we have the 12th and the 13th. Now, although we want to obviously get as much profit as we possibly can, we're also being mindful with this strategy. So if price begins to consolidate, or it seems like it's going to be bouncing off one of these resistant lines, I would move my stop accordingly. So in both these days, we took less profit, but it is better than taking a loss. Moving on to August 14th, we had a quick loss. That's just the way it goes sometimes. You take the wins with the losses. Alright, moving on, we have August 15th, 18th, and 20th. I believe this was 2 wins and 1 loss, and as stated before, if your winners can be greater than your losers, then taking a loss one day becomes much easier. You know that you're going to be able to get it on the next one. Alright, we have the 21st and the 22nd. I believe these are the last 2 days that I traded. I was finally able to get a hefty trade here on the 21st. Price just continued to plummet. And that's the beautiful part about this strategy, is that it allows you to, on occasion, take out these bigger profits where we're getting 4-to-1, 5-to-1, even 6-to-1 ratios on our risk. Alrighty guys, that'll do it for this one, reviewing our catch the open strategy, getting 2 accounts funded in 14 days with a 75% success rate. A solid strategy if you're looking to take the emotional part out of trading. You're just taking 1 trade per day, 1 and done, and then you can move on with your day. If you're interested in seeing these videos in more length and you want to see some of these days with more details, there will be a link below to our TikTok channel where all these videos are uploaded. They'll also be uploaded to our YouTube as well. Also, if you're interested in getting into trading and you're looking for a firm to fund you, Apex Trader is a great firm to start with. They have really great prices, really great opportunities, and there'll be a link below if you're interested in grabbing a couple accounts. If you have any questions about this strategy or about how you could possibly set it up for yourself, feel free to reach out to us directly. We don't always get back to you within 24 hours, but we will be sure to get back to you. That'll do it for this one, guys. Until next time, happy trading.